Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cloudai token. Ticker symbol is CLAI. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 28th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Cloudai token. So this is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find it on BSC Scan. The actual name of the token is CLAI, and ticker symbol is CLAI, which is short for Cloudai. 18 decimal places on this token. Right now they have 3,388 holders and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, this token here was just announced. We'll be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 28th, 8 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search CLAI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Cloudai is a cloud-based accelerator infrastructure system dedicated to providing efficient and reliable computing acceleration services for AI agents. With the rapid development of artificial intelligence technology, the market demand for high-performance, low-cost computing resources continues to grow, especially in the operating environment of AI agents, where the efficiency and credibility of computing are particularly important. Against this backdrop, Cloudai was born. The platform integrates a decentralized architecture, AI-driven intelligent resource management system, and advanced cryptographic technology to provide reliable cloud computing solutions for AI, advanced cryptographic technology to provide reliable cloud computing solutions for AI agents, supporting their safe and efficient operations in a decentralized environment. Since its launch in 2024, Cloudai has been able to significantly reduce computing costs and improve the operating efficiency of AI agents under normal conditions. It optimizes resource allocation through smart contract mechanisms, ensuring the transparency and fairness of transactions and computing processes. Cloudai further promotes the integration of AI technology and blockchain through its innovative idle resource sharing model, helping AI agents expand their applications globally. Now, Cloudai combines a decentralized architecture with the AI-driven intelligent resource management system to create an efficient and reliable cloud computing platform significantly designed to provide the computing acceleration services for AI agents. Users can join the system by contributing idle resources and sharing computing power, leveraging smart contracts to achieve transparency in transactions and fair allocations of resources. Meanwhile, Cloudai has made significant progress in optimizing the allocation of computing resources, reducing costs, and improving efficiency. Now, their headquarters is located in Singapore, a global leading center for technological innovation, which provides an excellent geographical and policy environment for the project's development. Singapore is renowned for its stable financial system, open market environment, and comprehensive legal regulation, attracting a large number of technology companies and investment institutions. This strategic choice not only enhances Cloudai's competitiveness in the Asian and global markets, but also provides a solid foundation for the project's international expansion of technological innovation. Now, the rise of AI and AI agents and the huge market demand for AI resources, with the rapid development of AI tech, AI has profoundly changed the operating models of various industries. So they have a lack of credibility in the AI market, and that is what they are trying to solve here with their solutions. So their first solution here, decentralized cloud service platform. They constructed a distributed cloud service market, shattering the monopoly of traditional cloud service providers. All computing resources on the platform are shared and provided by the users. Also supporting diverse computational needs. Different types of computational needs, including high performance computing, storage services, data processing, and AI computing. Intelligent resource matching transactions under AI algorithms, dynamic adjustments and forecasting capabilities, supporting diverse computational needs, and an AI-driven intelligent matching engine. So they do have a full document section that you could check out, cloudai-6.gitbook.io, if you want to find more. But the CLAI not only plays a key role in the payment and incentives within the Cloudai platform, but also maintains its scarcity and market value through a series of deconstructed mechanisms. So the cloud service payments with resource acquisition, resource leasing, incentive mechanisms for node rewards, contributor incentives, and the token also has governance power, so community governance, and can be used for fee payments and discounts. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this token will be listed tomorrow. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.